It is known that Udemy is a company specialized in teaching through online courses. According to the website of Udemy, there are about 150,000 online courses on the website. When you visit the website, you will find that the courses displayed on the website are paid courses. You have to pay in order to participate in the course. In this video, I'll show you how to participate in Udemy online courses free of charge. So go to the website of Udemy, which is udemy.com, and then register for an account, and after that login in. Here you will find the different categories for online courses, so you can select the desired category and then the list will be displayed. So how you participate here on free online courses? There are two ways that you can follow in order to participate in free online courses on the Udemy website. The first one is that go to categories and then select the category of choice. For example, if we selected health and fitness, and then here we can select a subject from the list of under health and fitness. For example, if we selected fitness and then we select, for example, all fitness, here the search result will be displayed. All courses displayed are paid courses. You have to pay in order to participate in the courses. So how we can participate in free courses? For example, under the fitness category, here under all fitness courses, click on filter and then go to price. Under price, select free courses. So free courses will be displayed here, so you can participate in free courses. Just click on the desired course and click on enroll now in the course. Another way that you can participate on Udemy online courses, go here to the search and type free courses. So search for free courses on the website. Only free courses will display it on the search result. So the website display here 7,016 free courses, all of them free courses, but in different categories and in different subjects. Go to filter and then select the desired category from the list. Select any category, then you can click on the desired course and enroll in that course free of charge.